Tesla wants to reveal everything they have done with the Optimus robot, because the manufacturer has recently introduced an update that we believe is worth noting. You may have seen Optimus moving like this or like that around the factory, but now it can move swiftly across rugged terrain. Even Optimus's hands have achieved remarkable precision since their initial unveiling, demonstrating the ability to hold a fragile egg securely. This is solid proof of the serious effort put in by Tesla's team. In today's episode, we will analyze Optimus's latest advancements and predict its commercialization potential for next year. And welcome to Techno Creators. Before we begin, please help us reach 2,000 subscribers. It'll be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great tech episodes. In recent days, Tesla's Optimus account on X has shared footage showing a humanoid robot walking across rugged terrain, accompanied by the caption, "Daily walks help clear your mind." When revisiting earlier videos from the launch of the Tesla Bot Gen 1, it's easy to notice that the latest video likely features a newer version, or at least an upgraded one with improved movement speed and significantly enhanced balancing capabilities. Previously, they also posted footage of the Optimus robot confidently catching a tennis ball twice, raising doubts about its abilities. Was it being controlled by Tesla staff? The answer is no, as a closer look at the details reveals otherwise. What has Tesla improved in the latest Optimus update? At first glance, it may not seem significant, but the ability to lift its legs is crucial for how the robot moves. This improvement enables Optimus to step more lightly and accelerate faster. Currently, the Optimus robot's speed allows it to move at 1.3 miles per hour, a notable difference from the speculated 5 miles per hour figure often mentioned. This could be Tesla's long-term goal over the course of the robot's development. Imagine if Tesla continues a 30% acceleration trajectory next year. That would result in a threefold increase compared to the initial 30% speed boost. Scott Walter, a pioneer in offline robot programming, has praised the robot's confident movements, smooth rotations, and its ability to take 132 steps in 78 seconds. For a humanoid robot, achieving a rate of 1.67 steps per second is quite stable, with each step covering a distance of over 1 foot. Overall, the movements are very smooth, with excellent rotational capabilities, and people are eager to witness more of its spinning abilities. The careful steps we see in the video footage suggest that Optimus might not even require someone behind the scenes to control it. While moving downhill, it seemed close to falling, but somehow managed to regain balance. This was not accidental. Humans use a combination of vestibular sense and vision to detect a slip and quickly adjust their bodies. Similarly, this showcases the remarkable processing, reflexes, and response capabilities of the artificial intelligence system in Optimus. A remote operator could not have detected such a slip and corrected the balance without being physically present. At the end of 2023, during the launch of Optimus Gen 2, Musk also mentioned that he hoped Optimus could thread the needle this year. Initial statements about the cost of the humanoid robot suggested it could be priced below $20,000 when Tesla starts selling these devices. For us, the price may end up being higher. As we all know, Tesla isn't particularly good at keeping its pricing promises, just like what we've seen with the Cybertruck. What challenges will Tesla overcome to keep up with the Optimus 2025 sales schedule? Elon Musk has previously stated that a significant portion of Tesla's long-term value will come from robots, and he expects to sell substantially more robots than cars. In fact, Musk has even claimed that the demand for robots could reach 10 billion units, more than the number of people on the planet. Therefore, launching sales next year is seen as a promising step for Elon to start generating massive revenue from this technology. But will it be as straightforward as it seems for a robot equipped with the most advanced AI on the humanoid robot market? Certainly not as easy as we might think. To develop Optimus faster and make it more advanced, the manufacturer will need a fully equipped team of engineers specialized in this technology. We must acknowledge that the number of Tesla bots Tesla can release to the market won't be significant until the company builds a strong engineering team and a dedicated facility that is sufficiently large and modern. At least if Tesla aims to achieve its goal of selling millions of robots annually. What is the biggest challenge for Tesla Optimus? In August 2023, when a comment on X stated, "The Tesla Optimus robot isn't about hardware, it's about full self-driving, making it a future money-earning machine that the world has yet to see," Musk candidly responded, "The hardware is actually extremely difficult," referring to the Optimus robot. This is particularly noteworthy because Musk is often known for his optimistic vision of technological potential. His willingness to publicly acknowledge the significant challenges of hardware development for Optimus marks an important shift, offering a clear understanding of the complexity and demanding nature of creating an efficient and safe humanoid robot. However, recent signs suggest that Tesla is close to achieving hardware upgrades, with advancements such as a new hand design, improved ankle joint flexibility, and features like wireless charging. The hardware capabilities of Optimus are far from being a simple technical issue. They represent a multidimensional challenge. First, the robot must move with agility and confidence, requiring a sophisticated integration of joints, actuators, and sensors. Second, it needs to interact meaningfully with the physical world, demanding the ability to grasp and manipulate objects while sensing force and pressure. Lastly, the robot must operate autonomously for extended periods, which calls for a powerful and efficient energy source, as well as the ability to make independent decisions. While the hardware challenges for Optimus are immense, Musk and his team at Tesla have made remarkable progress in a short time. Optimus has already demonstrated its ability to walk, move objects, and perform tasks ranging from simple to complex. Touted as the most intelligent humanoid robot to date, Optimus has also sparked significant backlash from those concerned about its AI software. The primary worry is that Optimus could be used to automate jobs, potentially leading to widespread unemployment. More alarming are hypotheses suggesting its misuse for nefarious purposes such as surveillance or warfare. While you may or may not be familiar with Musk's pledge not to create a destructive force, we find him to be a credible figure. Musk has repeatedly warned about the dangers of AI in the future, emphasizing its potential to surpass human control and pose risks greater than nuclear weapons. Of course, no one can definitively guarantee the absolute safety of Optimus, but Musk has at least provided assurances about this technology. How will Optimus transform the future of household tasks? We're witnessing a true homemaker in action. And what could be better than coming home after work to simply relax without worrying about the chores in the kitchen or cleaning the house? Whether it's carrying groceries from the car or watering the plants, Tesla has made significant progress with Optimus's 22 degrees of freedom in its hand. Only 5 more degrees are needed to reach human-like flexibility. Incredible. This hand is equipped with tactile sensors and offers 3 times as many degrees of freedom as competitors like Boston Dynamics Spot, which has only 6 to 7 degrees of freedom. Optimus doesn't have eyes, but it does come equipped with 4 2D cameras inside its head, giving it the ability to monitor and remember your actions, even your emotions, so it can respond with the right tone or reply based on how you're feeling. Think about you're in the kitchen, but instead of struggling with complicated recipes, Optimus is your personal chef. It's learned your favorite dishes from cooking videos and is preparing the perfect meal all on its own. And don't worry, it'll clean up afterward too. This will leave you completely delighted. You can just sit back, enjoy your meal, and relax. On a Sunday when you're usually stuck cleaning with a mop, Tesla Optimus comes to the rescue. You simply give it a command, and it handles everything quietly, with Tesla's sleek and optimized design. Since its introduction in 2021, Optimus has improved dramatically, moving more fluidly and focusing on essential tasks. After it's done cleaning, it might even sense your mood and make you a cup of coffee, adding a thoughtful personal touch. You too busy to help your child with homework? Let Optimus become a valuable learning companion. With advanced AI, it can answer questions, guide lessons, and even adapt to your child's mood using voice and facial recognition. If your child gets distracted, Optimus adjusts by using fun games or stories, making learning more enjoyable and effective. Let Optimus help your child explore knowledge in an engaging way. For homemakers, Optimus offers a crucial benefit in caring for the elderly. With the number of seniors entering nursing homes increasing by 15% annually, Optimus provides a more comfortable alternative. It can monitor health, offer 100% accurate care, and provide emotional support and age-appropriate exercises. By 2025, Optimus is expected to fill gaps in caregiving, helping seniors feel less lonely while promoting their well-being. Think about it. If Optimus can handle high-precision tasks in a factory, a true homemaker is nothing for Tesla. Elon Musk is confident.
I think this will be the biggest product ever of any kind.
Optimus is truly set to revolutionize household tasks by 2025. What makes Optimus highly reliable in a home environment? The key element in the superior safety of Tesla. Optimus lies in its real-time data processing capabilities, equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence. Optimus continuously monitors and analyzes its environment, enabling it to make split-second decisions to avoid potential hazards and easily adapt to dynamic surroundings. Whether navigating through a busy workspace or responding to unexpected obstacles, Optimus's real-time information processing significantly reduces the likelihood of accidents. This was partly demonstrated by Optimus's sound reflexes during the October 10th event. In contrast, engineered Homemaker mainly operates based on pre-programmed tasks. While effective for predictable routines, Homemaker struggles with new or changing situations. Its limited ability to adapt to real-time changes makes it more prone to errors or malfunctions in unpredictable environments. Even communication responses from Homemaker are delayed, taking about 5 to 7 seconds to reply, which hinders smooth interaction. Optimus, on the other hand, is seamlessly connected to other smart devices in your home, creating a network of convenience. Its video input and output neural network system allows Optimus to learn and adapt autonomously with an accuracy rate of up to 90%. The remaining 10% of inaccuracies may be attributed to network latency or interference. Optimus is highly reliable in both communication and task execution, supported by a powerful information processor that outperforms many competitors on the market. How does Optimus give you personal space and privacy? At a price of $20,000 in the long run, we firmly believe that Optimus is a smart choice for enhancing the quality of life for everyone. Of course, there are still mixed opinions regarding this technology, particularly concerning safety and ethics. Safety is paramount, which is why Optimus is equipped with a local chip for remote updates. To alleviate fears of any dark scenarios, it is programmed to halt any activity when instructed to do so. As we mentioned earlier, Optimus features cameras and ultrasonic sensors for navigation, helping it avoid obstacles and minimizing the risk of unwanted collisions. Additionally, Optimus can save you 60% of the time spent on household chores by automating tasks and connecting to smart devices, allowing you to monitor or control everything remotely. Even your child's education is under your control, as you can dictate the content of lessons and Optimus will provide an outline for your review. If you're not satisfied, you can request changes, and it will adjust the content according to your preferences. Whether through a few simple remote commands or direct interaction, Optimus not only eases the burden of daily tasks, but also helps you save precious time. We hope you learned more about the Tesla Optimus robot after watching this episode. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Techno Creator family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss any of our awesome videos by clicking the bell icon. We appreciate your feedback and time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.